Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about how to take screenshots using the Settings control panel while streaming an application. First, click on your application in the control panel. Next, click on the config icon for your application. Now turn on the advanced options in the config menu and go to the streaming UI section. Turn on the settings control bar and screenshot feature and save your settings. Now start your application streaming session. Once your streaming session starts, click on the settings control bar icon in the lower right corner. From here, if you want to take a screenshot, just click on the camera icon and save the screenshot on your computer. That's it. To know about our Unreal Engine Pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system